Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zendesk app and import customer tickets step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Visit the official Zendesk website. Click on the Products tab in the main menu. Select Apps from the drop-down options. Navigate to the Zendesk Marketplace. In the search bar, type Zendesk app, press Enter to see the search results. Locate the Zendesk app you wish to download. Click on the app to view its details. Review the app description to ensure it meets your requirements. Find and click the Install button. If prompted, log in to your Zendesk account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, open your Zendesk account dashboard. Now, locate the Tickets section in the dashboard. Click on Manage to find the Import option. Select Import Tickets from the available choices. Prepare your customer ticket data in a CSV file. Ensure that your CSV file has the required columns like ticket ID, subject, and status. Return to your Zendesk account. Click on the Choose File button to upload your CSV file. After uploading, review the mapping options for your ticket fields. Make necessary adjustments to ensure correct data alignment. Once everything looks good, click on the Import button. Monitor the Import Progress bar to ensure completion. Upon success, check your Tickets section for the newly imported tickets. Verify that all customer tickets are accurately reflected. Review any errors that may have occurred during the import process. Make any required corrections and re-import if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.